morning, everyone, or good evening, good afternoon, whatever time zone you're in right now watching this. It is time for me to do a coffee in a flip cup. I have my really cute cup from when my daughter was really little. It says, "A whole latte, love, cherish." And this was given to me by my niece so many years ago. I think this picture is at least 18 years old. Maybe a little bit, about probably 18, maybe 17 years old. That's my cute little munchkin right there. And this is one of my favorite coffee mugs, so I'm very careful with this. So I will not get any paint on this. The coffee today will be Shelburne Falls Coffee Roasters. I got this in Northampton, Massachusetts a little while ago. It's actually really good. They claim to be that they roasted and blended by hand coffee roaster. This was picked out of many roasters, they say. This is a specialty blend that a lot of people like, so I had to try it. I do have a darker blend of this, but in order for me to do this video, I cannot drink that because I will talk too fast. It's such a dark roast. All right, enough about the coffee. I'm having fun with my coffee journey. So my colors today are the Pearl Green by Amsterdam, and I mixed Macaw TLP with it. I have Harvest Gold by TLP. I don't use this that much, so I am excited about that. I have Simplicity by TLP. Now, the only thing with this Simplicity is I don't have a lot of it because I did not want it to take over and hide the Pearl Green, because this needs to show up on a darker background. And then I have Prussian Blue, and my base will be this Creative Inspirations Lamp Black. So this is going to be a very interesting pour for a flip cup, because all of my paint is mixed with a half part American Floetrol and then 2 parts Aussie Floetrol. This bottle is a year old. I do not want it to go bad, so I decided to use some of it. I have actually never mixed this much Australian Floetrol into this many different kinds of paint. The only one it is not in is the Harvest Gold by TLP. But all the rest of the colors, it is mixed in there. So I will be covering up a painting today. Oh, I forgot one color. This one. This is Seaside Blue by Decawire. I forgot about this one. I have a little bit of this one too. I love that color. I think it's really beautiful. I will be covering up a painting that I did not like, and that then ended up getting a little bit of paint splatter on it, which was very disappointing. But like I said, I really didn't like it that much, so it's okay that ended up getting paint here and here and here. The only part of this painting that I liked was right here, so it definitely needs to be painted over. I do not like wasting paint or canvases, so I figured I would definitely paint over this. I'm ready for my flip cup. Had my last sip of my coffee, and I'm gonna get going. Okay, from what I can see, it's really cool. I have no idea what this is going to dry like. That's the only area that I see that maybe the Australian Floetrol will come through, although I do have to use the blowtorch, and that will probably change things. Yeah, but so far, I really like it. I love this part right here with the gold right there. Oh my God, I love it. And so far, it does not look like the gold is taking over, so that's pretty good. Wow, these colors, that Prussian blue, this is really cool. Yeah, like, I cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. Now, let me go get the torch. All right, I torched this area a little bit more to see if I could get more of the cells to pop through in that corner. Already I can see a little bit of the, you know, the pinprick markings right there. I don't know if that's a bubble or if I actually have something in the paint. Oh my goodness, I think I have a goober. I do want to say again though, that that blue and gold area is my favorite. I do love how like that looks like very galaxy, nebula type thing. I don't even know if nebula is the word I'm looking for. But this might end up becoming a galaxy painting for sure. Maybe midnight galaxy, I don't know, with all the blues. I don't know if this area right here is the macaw and pearl green by Amsterdam. I don't know if if that's what that is. That's really cool. I'm happy with that. But yeah, we'll see what this looks like when it starts drying. All right, I'm gonna let it record for a little bit, and I'll speed it up so you guys can see it. I am super excited how this came out. It's really cool. It actually did not change that much, even though when you guys see the end result, I actually sped up the video by 8,000 times. So you'll see that I get a couple more clusters right here in the middle, but other than that, it doesn't change too much. I love it. I love it. I did already put my Grumbacher gloss varnish on it. As you can tell from the lights, there's quite a shine to it. I do have a couple of raised areas. I'm not sure what that's from. There's like a raised area here, but not too bad. But I really am wicked excited. And in fact, the pearl did come through right there. The blue and the gold right there is amazing. I'm really glad that I added up all those colors together, my Franken paints, as I like to call them. I'm excited to do this again. I really am not sure if, because I mixed American Floetrol and Australian Floetrol together, if I really got the cells that I wanted. I actually wanted like a cell explosion. So what I might do is I might do 3 colors with just Australian Floetrol next time versus American Floetrol to like maybe 2 colors with the American Floetrol and see what happens that way. I love this look. It is definitely being titled Midnight Galaxy. This beautiful translucent area right there. Oh, I just love it. I love the whole thing. I love it every direction too. I can't even decide which way I like it. So I really hope you guys like this video. If you have any color suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I love to hear what you guys think will work. But thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. It is free. Who doesn't love free? And go have fun, make a mess. Thanks for watching.